Hello, if you are a parent of a teen, listen up. My name is Tika Haig, and I own a company called Academics. If you haven't heard of us yet, please go to my website below. We are revolutionizing the classic academic tutoring approach by not only satisfying the academic needs with expert instruction in math classes, private tutoring, along with ACT, SAT prep, but we go beyond to give essential life coaching with our academic management to build virtuous and emotionally sound teens and children. This is my mission, and this is my company. I welcome you. Please check me out. If you know somebody that could really benefit from my services too, please let them know and share and subscribe. We're so happy to have had so many years of success, so many years of successful students, and so many parents that are so thankful to have had us in their lives to make not only their child's life better, but also give them back essential family time that we all need with our children. We are here to serve your needs. If you would like to join us, please go to my website, and we'll see you soon.